Hello everyone, welcome to eGyan. This is a short tutorial. In today's video we will learn how to resolve the mixed content issue on any website. Mixed content is a very common issue, and as you can see, this is one of our website and it is showing not secure in the URL area. So it is already having an SSL, but still it is not showing the log sign. So this can be an issue for your readers, for your visitors, and also in terms of SEO. Having a secured site, having an SSL is quite essential nowadays in terms of SEO too. So this is a mixed content issue. Let us resolve this. First of all, we will press the F12 button. So these are the issues which are showing. Just click on this particular, these are the warnings, 16 warnings. And mixed content issue is here. The page at https www.buzzrnls.com was indexed. So basically mixed content issue occurs when initial HTML is run over a secure HTTPS connection, but some of your content like your videos, your images, they are requested on an unsecure connection, HTTP. So as you can see, it is showing the warning over here. This particular image, this one, it is loaded on HTTP instead of HTTPS. So just find out what all images and what all content are creating the issue. And I remember this particular image of mine is in WordPress widget, in the widget section. So I will open the dashboard of my WordPress blog. This is the dashboard, and this one is the widget in which the image is causing an issue. As you can see, it is showing src equal to HTTP, so I will change it to HTTPS. Okay, just change it to HTTPS, click on save, it will be saved. Now click on done. Okay, so reload it. Let us see if the issue has been resolved or not, or if there is some other image. Okay, as you can see, let me just close this window. Now this is the home page. You can notice the change. Earlier it was not showing the log sign, but now the log sign is quite clearly visible, right? So the issue of mixed content has been resolved. It was quite simple. So that's all for now. Stay tuned with eGyan for more such useful videos. Thanks for watching.